If you're dealing with a frustrating lock symbol light appearing on your car dashboard and wondering how to fix the lock symbol light in a car in Hindi, you're not alone. Many car owners encounter this issue, and while it may seem complicated at first, there's usually a straightforward solution. The lock symbol light typically indicates that your car's security or anti-theft system is activated, but it can also appear if there's a malfunction or error in the system. Understanding how to fix the lock symbol light in a car in Hindi can help you resolve the issue quickly and get back on the road. Start by checking your car's key fob or remote. Sometimes the lock symbol light will appear if the car doesn't recognize the key or if the fob's battery is low. A simple step you can take is to replace the battery in your key fob. After replacing the battery, try locking and unlocking the car again. If the problem persists, you can attempt to reset the key fob by following the instructions in your vehicle's manual. Another possibility is that the lock symbol light may be caused by a faulty door sensor. Your car may think that one of the doors isn't properly closed or locked, even though it appears to be. To check this, inspect all doors, including the trunk, to ensure they are securely closed. Sometimes a misaligned door sensor or dirt can cause this warning light to come on. If you've checked the key fob and doors, but still see the lock symbol light, the next step is to consider the car's security system itself. Some vehicles may require a reset of the security system to turn off the lock symbol light. This can usually be done by disconnecting the car battery for a few minutes, then reconnecting it. This reset can clear any temporary errors in the system and potentially resolve the issue. Lastly, if you're still unsure about how to fix the lock symbol light in a car in Hindi, or if the problem persists despite your efforts, it's time to consult a professional. A mechanic or auto technician can diagnose the issue more thoroughly and fix any underlying problems with the car's locking or security system. In conclusion, the lock symbol light can be a minor inconvenience, but with the right knowledge, it's often something you can fix yourself. Whether it's a simple battery change or a more detailed inspection of the security system, these steps will help guide you on how to fix the locks symbol light in a car in Hindi. If you're still unsure, don't hesitate to seek professional help to ensure your car's security system is working correctly.